Let's talk about your bridge. When the strings are off, now's the time to inspect it. It gets a lot of dust. Sometimes you'll get a pull there. You want to inspect that. Give it a good brush. And when you pull out the pegs or the bridge pins, they get a lot of wear and tear because the strings pull. And here you can see the dirt in there. A little bit of dirt. So what I do is I take a brush, a soft brush, and I just clean the slot. So I used a fingernail brush. This has graphite on it, by the way. Don't mind that. And I just cleaned it. So when the strings go through there, they do leave a little debris, especially little flakes from the guitar strings. And then I just put on a little wax on the top and around the peg itself, because you want to keep these conditioned too. But you don't have to put it in that slot. Just around the edge. Then put it back in there. I do wax the bridge. You can use the detailer or wax. You want it to be not dried out. You can use your fingers. You can buy new bridge pins, but if you take care of them, they should last a long time. In there, it gets dirty. Underneath, it gets dirty. So you want to take care of the bridge. Inspect it when you have your strings off. Again, there's slots here, like there is up at the nut. And when you brush that out, it cleans them. And it helps with the strings. You don't have to rub a lead pencil over or put graphite there. Just keep them clean. Thank you for watching.